Long game stores coins in a pending state before they show in your account, which means delays can happen even when your gameplay is tracked correctly. By the end of this, you'll know why coins don't appear in long game, how to force them to sync, and what actually fixes missing or delayed coin balances without guessing. First thing to understand is how long game tracks rewards. Coins are not added instantly after you finish a game or task. They usually go through a verification step tied to your game session and account activity. If that verification doesn't complete, your balance stays unchanged even though the activity still happened. Start with the basic sync fix. Close the long game app completely, not just minimize it. Then reopen it, and go back to the rewards, or wallet section. This forces a refresh of your account data from their servers. A lot of missing coins cases are just a display delay that clears after a refresh. Next, check your connection and app state. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to reset the session. If the app was open during a weak connection, coin tracking can lag behind and fail to update in real time. After switching networks, reopen the app again and wait a minute on the wallet screen so it can reload properly. Now, check the game or offer source. Coins often fail to appear when the app doesn't fully register the session from the game you played. If you open multiple games or switched apps too quickly, the tracking link can break and the reward won't attach to your account. In that case, the system may still process it later, but it won't show immediately. If nothing updates, log out and log back into your long game account. This resets your session token and forces a full resync of your profile data. After logging back in, give it a few minutes before checking again. Finally, if coins still don't show, use the in-app support or help section and report the missing reward with the exact game name and time you played. That gives their system enough detail to manually verify the session. Quick summary: coins are usually delayed, not gone. Refreshing the app forces a sync. Network resets fix tracking delays. And support is the final step when sessions don't register. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple fixes for reward apps and mobile earning issues.